Assam Chief Minister lashed at the British Broadcasting Corporation over the recently released controversial documentary on Prime Minister Narendra Modi titled India, the Modi Question. The Assam Assembly session is in progress, and amidst that, a resolution has been passed against the BBC. Sarma stated that Supreme Court of India had already given a clean chit to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Sarma questioned the timing of the release of the documentary and added that the documentary was deliberately released at a time when the G20 officials were visiting Guwahati, and the objective seemed to tarnish the image of India. According to Sarma, the BBC documentary had made a partial investigation in Gujarat 2002 riots, and at that time Narendra Modi was the Chief Minister of the state. A number of opposition parties came out in support of the documentary. However, the Ministry of External Affairs issued a statement in which it called it merely a propaganda piece. Recently, the income tax officials had conducted raids at various offices of the BBC owing to financial irregularities.